Excel ribbon and their commands. In view, we can hide or show grid lines, formula bar, headings and ruler. In page layout view, ruler is activated. We can show or hide this ruler. Example, I am showing you. Formula bar, headings, column and row headings we can hide or show. Zoom the document either from ribbon or in right of the status bar. Zoom to selection. Zoom the selected range of cells. Example, zoom 100%. New window. Open a second window for our document. So we can access more columns or rows. Example, in this data, we cannot view columns in the right. In order to view the right columns, we want to scroll horizontally. If two windows are there, we can simply view all data. Example, I am showing you. New window. A new window is created. Then again, view, arrange all. I am arranging all window horizontally. Okay. You can see two windows. I am moving to right. And the first window I am keeping left. You can see all data here. All columns. You can see now all columns. After our uses, we can simply close it. Freeze panes. Freeze first column or first row. If we freeze the first column or row, these columns or rows will not scroll while we are scrolling the worksheet, vertically or horizontally. Example, I am freezing the first row. It is a heading. Freeze panes, freeze top row. Now I am scrolling. Data are scrolling, the first row will not scrolling. To unfreeze it, freeze pane and freeze panes. Similarly, we can freeze the first column. Example, I am showing you. Freeze first column. Okay, it is freezed. Now I am scrolling to horizontal. The first column is not scrolling. To unfreeze panes. Next one, split. Split the window into number of panes. Example, I am positioning the cursor pointer in the middle. Now I am giving the split. We can see in this position, vertically or horizontally split. Now I am scrolling the data, the first pane. You can see the first pane is scrolling. Then second one is scrolling. Then third one, I am scrolling to horizontally. Then fourth one,